when we do workshops with teaching staff and with students, and we talk to them about the fourth industrial revolution and the future of work, and we ask them, well, what capabilities do you think, or what attributes do students need if they're to have successful lives and careers? They come up with these kind of words. Our students need to be creative, they need to be proactive, they need to be open-minded, they need to be problem solvers, and they need to know the facts and the theories of their discipline. And what we're seeing, we think, is a shift from university education being about knowing more, years ago maybe it was more about knowing more, to one where students also have to do more. They have to apply these things they learned at university out in the workplace. And even more, to becoming more. They need to be different. Some of the capabilities are not so much about knowledge or skills or even attitudes. They're about the transforming students. Now, this has both good and challenging aspects to it. Now, on the good side, if we can help students to become more, to develop their own ethical principles, to be proactive, to be innovative, then it doesn't matter what jobs they get in the future or where they end up or what they want to be or do, those attributes will stay with them and be relevant, and they'll last a lifetime. Whereas if we focused only on knowledge, our academics are telling us that knowledge now, it's not like gold, it's not so precious, it doesn't last forever. It's more like milk. It's transitory, it gets out of date. And of course it's specific. So maybe it's easy to forget, and it becomes out of date, or students end up in careers or lives where it's not so relevant. So that's the good news. If we can help our graduates to become more, we are surely making them more powerful and equipping them well wherever they end up. The bad news is, as academics, we're used to teaching about knowledge and theories. We know how to do it. And our academics are saying they feel unsure about teaching these more transformative capabilities. Their pedagogical experience and knowledge hasn't equipped them well for it. Now, this area of helping folk to become more is an area for transformative learning, transformative teaching, and also for the issues about the transfer of learning. And these literatures are really quite complex, and most academics just don't have time or possibly the background to be able to go into these literatures and synthesize the valuable implication for practice that lie there.